What's up everybody, it's Nick from Who Dat Travel, and in today's travel tip video, I'm going to show you exactly what I keep in my carry-on so I don't forget anything when I pack and things are much quicker to pack. So let's dive in. So in the main compartment here, we'll just pull this down on my lap, I actually keep quite a bit of stuff. And this is in our storage area that it's always here. So when I have to pack, it is ready to go at a moment's notice. So the first thing I have, and I will link everything I can down below, they will be affiliate links. So if you click on them and then purchase something, I do get a little bit of a kickback, just to let you know. So this is the Tripped Travel compression cubes. And the great thing about the Tripped ones is it actually comes with a little laundry bag. So they're outside bag. These are the compression packing cubes. It has a laundry bag with it, and that I just use to store the compression cubes. Honestly, I was not a huge I must organize everything. I always just folded everything in my bag, but I have come to find out the compression ones, I can pack a lot more stuff in just a carry-on and not have to worry about it, checking a bag. So we do have the compression cubes. Next, I always keep my rain gear. This is a Patagonia packable rain gear. I absolutely love it. It folds up into its own pocket. I do have a carabiner on it, so I can clip it to my belt loop. Carabiners are a giant thing when traveling, they just make your life easier, and they're really cheap. So this is a fantastic rain jacket. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a trash bag, which is one thing that I can't stand. Plus, it always gives me another layer to be able to be warmer. So this always just stays in here. This is my travel rain gear. So next, I have a swimsuit. I always keep one in here because inevitably I always forget to pack a swimsuit. So I have just one of my bathing suits and we just keep it in there, and that way I don't forget it. Lastly, in the large pocket, I have my Dopp kit or my toiletry bag. I'll do another video to show you exactly what's in here, but this is copies of all my stuff that I need, and that way I don't forget anything. So I've got my toothbrush, I've got toothpaste, shaving stuff, all that kind of stuff. But again, I'll go through another video and in depth of what is actually in my Dopp kit. So that is it. That's in the main compartment. And then I always keep some extra stuff in this top pocket here. So one of the things, because of the times that we live in, I have a spare mask. So that way I don't forget a mask for flights, and I always have one with me. Next, I have a pair of reading glasses that stay in here. Normally there's a case for them. I have to find that. One of the things that I always have to have are sunglasses on my trip. So this is a spare pair of sunglasses. So if I lose mine, I break them, I forget to bring another, my normal pair, I have my backup. Always very important, and I have used them, definitely. Because I have a little man, pacifier, binky, have to have one in there. I also have, and these were actually given to me by United, it's just a pair of earbuds. Now, granted, my phone, I need to have an adapter, I need Bluetooth, but little man has stuff that can use headphones. Also, if I'm in a plane that can use headphones and I don't have my Bose, this can be a lifesaver. All right, and then the main part of this is, again, in my Tripped travel gear stuff. I have all of my cables. I have bought extra cables that I absolutely, have to have. I also bought an extra charging block. This is a 20,000 milliamp battery. I can charge my phone battery, I think it's like 5 times with this, which means I can charge mine, I can charge my wife's, I can charge all of little man stuff, I can charge the tablet, and I just make sure that this is charged before we leave, and usually it's pretty much charged during just storage. So that way I have one of them with me. I don't have to worry about where it is. Now you don't need a giant one like I have. You can get some of the small ones for just a couple dollars and throw it in here. Now I do also have many other. I actually have a hard drive that is for YouTube stuff, but I also have separate cables. Now, one of the big things I do here is actually have an extra cable for my phone for my rental car. I absolutely make sure that there's one that can stay in there, and then I make sure that I have one for the hotel room, and I generally make sure I have one spare that I can use to transfer files from my phone to my computer or my cameras and that kind of stuff. I also have a charging block, the old school USB-A charging, so that way I can charge little man's tablet, and that way I never have to worry about having a charger with me. The only thing you have to worry about is when you are done to make sure that you pack up and have all of this stuff with you when you're coming home. And of course, one last thing in here, I do carry my Magic Band, because if you've watched our vlogs, you can definitely see that we go to Disney quite frequently. And so this just stays in my bag, so that way I don't forget it. So really, that's what I keep in my bag. And as I said, this is in there all the time. That way I don't forget anything. It's all prepared, and really the only thing that I have to do is pack clothing and I can go on my vacation. It has worked out great for me. So even if you only go a couple times a year, even if it's an overnight type of thing, it is a great way to make sure that you don't forget anything. And really, if you can take a little stress out of your day for packing, why not? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, smash that like button if that's what you're into. It really does help out the channel and spread my video to a wider group so they can hit the like button and spread it to an even larger group. Also, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I release new content. You'll never miss a video. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I hope to see you real soon. Thanks, everybody.